Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Study Success, and in this session I am going discussing about the subject is discrete mathematics, and in this second unit multiple choice questions that will be useful for mid examination point of view. Clear ma? Then we'll go to the discussion. See the first question in the fill in the blanks. The number of subsets of the set of order 3 is dash. So you know this, right? It is a formula I have discussed in the second unit, the number of subsets of a set of order 3. So how many elements are there? How many subsets are there? 3 sets are there. Okay, so 3 elements are there. 3 subsets or 3 sets, 3 elements, so we can say that in a particular set. So what will be the answer? It will be 2 cube, because if n elements are there, what is the formula? 2 power n. So 2 cube means what? 8. So answer is 8. And come to the second question. If x and y are 2 sets, okay, good, x and y are 2 sets, means what? It is a diagrammatic representation. We have to write the pie charts. And next here, this is a x and y, okay, 2 sets, then x intersection y union x complement ma. So you know this complements means what? Mu minus x, means y union x complement means what? Mu minus y union x. So first draw the diagram for this. Y union x, y union x, x union y, both are same. Let us have 2 sets, x and y 2 sets, and this is right. So this is x y sets ma. So union set, this one, okay. So what do you mean by x union y? Means this all the sets x union y. Now tell me, what is the complement? Mu minus y union x means we have to subtract this entire part, that means this entire part from union. So what will be the diagram ma? For this union, for this one complement, so simply we will get like this. So we should subtract this part and this part from the union. So this is x, this is y, so this we will get like this, okay. Now what is the question? X intersection y union x complement. So x intersection, let us draw x and y and mu. You see here x means what? X means this entire circle, right? Now tell me ma, x intersection means what? Common area. So from these two diagrams, because this is a x diagram and this is a y union x complement diagram, So from these two diagrams, what we have to apply? Intersection. So any common area, by seeing these two diagrams, you can find out ma. Any common area. Here x lines are there in the x, but here lines are there in the mu area, so here not there, right? So intersection means in the common area, common elements. So there is no common elements. So what is the answer? Pi. So here answer is pi. Next, if a and b is a bisective function, then f inverse is a bisective only. Okay na? Means you see here, what is the I explained in second unit only. What is the condition for f inverse? F of the function f from a to b is a bisective, then f inverse is existing. So f inverse is also bisective. And next, fourth question, if z dot operator means product, okay na, plus if example z plus z product means it is dot indicates product. Now a group such that AB inverse equal to A inverse B inverse. See here, this one is actually out of syllabus, but I will discuss here because this is important for in gate point of view, okay. So here AB whole inverse is equal to A inverse B inverse ma. So there is no change the values for this product. So we can call it as G as a G group as a abelian group, okay, abelian group. We can say that abelian group. Let us see. What do you mean by abelian? Means in mathematics, abelian group means also called commutative group అని అంటారు, okay. Abelian group also called commutative group, any group in which the result of applying the group operations after applying, so here AB whole inverse, okay, after applying the group operation, so what is the operation? Inverse ma, okay. There is no change the value. If there is no change in the value, then we can say that that particular group in abelian group or commutative group. So here A inverse, B inverse, there is no change the values. For example, A plus B na. A plus B, let us take A plus B. For example, A equal to 3, B equal to 2. Okay. So, A plus B value means 3 plus 2 equal to 5. And let us take B plus A 2 ma, 2 plus 3. So, what is the answer? 5. So, A plus B equal to B plus A or not? So, after applying the group operation, what is the operator here? Plus operator. Okay. There is no change the value. It does not depending on the this value. Okay. It does not depending on the elements. So, here we can say that A plus B equal to B plus A. So that A comma B is in abelian group or a commutative group. So, is a group in which result of applying the group operation to two group elements. Okay. So, how many elements are there? Two group elements ki operation ni apply chesina tarvata, it does not depending on the order. Okay. It does not depending on the order, then we can in which they are written. Okay na. So, here A plus B, no need to write again A plus B. So, you can change the order B plus A. So, answer should not change. Here A plus B value equal, B plus C value equal. Similarly, AB equal to BA. 5 2s are 10, 2 5s are 10. Okay. If order change chesina sare value same untundi. Vaatini emantaru? Abelian group leda commutative group ani antaru. Okay. That is not. And see the next question, fifth question, how many functions are there from a set? Then m elements to the set with n elements. So, if there is m elements, what is the operation ma? 2 power m, right? How many functions are there from a set with m elements to the set n elements? So, here m elements are there, n elements are there. So, simply 2 power mn. Okay, so answer is 2 power mn. So, these are all the formulas ma. Here also formula 2 power cube, 2 power n. Okay. So, this is also formula, this is also formula, okay. And next sixth one, the relation is compatible if it is, answer is reflexive and transitive, okay. So, if a relation is at reflexive, if a relation is transitive, then we can say that compatible. So, you know this, right? When a relation is said to be a reflexive, when a relation is said to be a symmetric, when a relation is said to be a transitive, then that particular relation is nothing but equivalence relation. Right, you know this. If a relation is a reflexive, if a relation is a anti-symmetric, if a relation is a transitive, then it is a poset, partially ordered set. So, you know these formulas, right? So, likewise, if a relation is a reflexive and transitive, then relation is a compatible. Okay. Next one, seventh question. Right, ma? Have you understand? We have mod of A equal to how many elements? M elements, and mod of B is equal to how many elements? Then elements. The number of relations that can be formed from A to B is, so here A to B is what? M elements are there, N elements are there. The number of relations means 2 power mn. I think this fifth question is wrong ma. How many functions? Functions means how many functions? N to, so answer is wrong ma. Sorry, 1 second. Fifth question. So, fifth question answer is n to the power of m nana. N to the power of n. How many functions? Here they are asking about how many functions are there from a set with m elements and a set with n elements. So, n to the power of m. So, here asking number of relations. Number of relations and always it should be 2 to the power of some value. Okay. Number of relations means. So, 2 to the power of n m or mn. Okay. Next, eighth question, come to the eighth question, it is completely out of syllabus ma. Okay, this is a new concept. Okay, so the concept meeku asalu second unit lo ledu, so you can skip this one. Okay, no need to do this. And next one, ninth question. Let R to R defined as a f of x equal to what? F of x equal to what? 4 e to the power of 3x plus 1. Then formula for f inverse. Okay. So, here what we have to find out? F inverse. That means reverse function we have to find out. Let us say we have f of x equal to y. So, what is the f inverse y ma? You know this x. In the place of y we substitute the value f inverse of x equal to y. So, like this we can write. So, here f of x equal to 4 e to the power of 3x plus 1 ma. So, for this sum we need to find out inverse function. So, let us take 4 e to the power of 3x plus 1, 4 e to the power of 3x plus 1 equal to y. We can say, right, because this is the f of x, no. So, 4 e to the power of 3x plus 1 equal to y. Next, we can 3 to the power of x plus 1 equal to y by 4. ఓకే బికాస్ ఇయర్ 4 ఈజ్ ఎ ప్రొడక్ట్ సో ఇక్కడికి వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది బై అవుతుంది సో y by 4 that means what ma we have y by 4 equal to e to the power of 3x plus 1 so e to the power of 3x plus 1 we can also write it as e power 3x into e right a power m into a power n nana a power m plus a power n that means from this we can e power 3x plus n now apply the logarithm log of y by 4 because exponent is there so to remove e exponent we have to use logarithm so log of e to the power of 3x into 3 into e okay so I will do here only log a by b you know the formula right log a by b so what is the formula for log a by b nana log a minus log b okay if log a b product if product is there we can write log a plus log b okay so here product symbol is there here division is there so from this we can write log y minus log 4 equal to log e to the power of 3x plus log e nana okay so here we can it is a minus okay and from this we can write plus next ma log y minus log 4 log y minus log 4 equal to log e value what 1 okay and log e to the power log 2 to the power of n means n log 2 right you know this logarithm you have to know log 2 to the power of m means we can write it as m log 2 so from this we can write 3x into log e plus log e value 1 nana okay good now again we can write log y minus log 4 this one is 4 not y value log 4 equal to 3x here log e value 1 so 3x into 1 1 so 3x plus 1 will get now so what we have the value log y minus log 4 equal to 3x plus 1 okay now plus 1 it వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది log 3x equal to log y minus log 4 minus 1 okay so you can take log y minus common తీస్తే from these two we can take the minus common log 4 plus 1 okay now this is 3x equal to now x equal to what ma log y minus log 4 plus 1 by 3 so this is all what we have f of x equal to y we take it as so f inverse of y equal to x value so in the place of y we can substitute x so here x means what f inverse of y okay f inverse of y is equal to log y minus log 4 plus 1 by 3 nana so this is the answer okay now see the 10th question a equal to what are the values here a equal to 2 comma 3 comma 6 comma 12 comma 24 a less than or equal to b if a divides b so what is the relation here a divides b now you have to check each and every element 2 divides 3 2 divides 6 2 divides 12 2 divides 24 here the condition is what a less than or equal to b nana so 2 less than or equal to b right 2 less than 3 yes correct so but 2 is divides 3 no now there the number of edges of the Hasse diagram of this one so first draw the Hasse diagram for this question so directly I will draw here okay so 2 and 3 are 2 elements 2 and 3 are 2 elements so we don't have a connection between 2 and 3 so independent elements these two are 2 and 3 but 2 and 3 both are divide 6 element right so here 2 and 3 2 divides 6 and 3 divides 6 good and come to the next element 12 divides 2 divides 12 3 divides 12 6 divides 12 so these 3 elements are divides 12 so we can write this one okay and 24 divides by 2 divides by 3 divides by 6 12 so we have to write the element here upper the 12 because every element here divides 2 divides 6 divides 12 divides 3 divides 6 divides 12 divides so how many edges are there so I explained in graphs So graph is nothing but a collection of vertex and edges. Okay, here the dot operator is nothing but each and here every dot, every element here nothing but vertex ma. This is vertex, and the connection between the line segment but between the two elements is nothing but edge. Okay, so this is the edge. So how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally how many edges? 4 edges. So answer is 4. And next fill in the blanks is completed, and come to the multiple choice questions, and these are also very important for mid examination point of view. So here the first question is what ma? A equal to pi and A. Okay, then power set off. So power set off means what? If what is the value? A equal to pi and A, not 0, pi and A. Okay, then what we have to do? A intersection P of A. Nana. First find out power set of A, P of A. So you know this P of A means what? Every non-empty set is a subset. So pi is a element, pi set is a subset of every power set. So pi, and the next element is what we have? Again pi element is there, don't be confused. Pi itself subset of every element. So we should write pi, and next one here, this here element is pi is one element. So we have to write pi is another element, and next we have another element is A, and next we have another element what? Pi A. Okay, so I hope you remember that power set. See how many elements are there, Nana? 2 elements. So what will be the subsets? 2 square means what? 4. 4 elements vachaya leda? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 5 elements. Now what we have to do? For these two key we have to do intersection. That means A intersection power set of A. Now tell me ma, what are the common elements in between these two sets? What are the common elements? Here pi A, pi is there, A is there na? A is not there. Here A is a set na, but here A is a element. If you have A like this, then you can write. Okay, but here a single element, here set element. So we have only pi. So answer is pi. So where is this? And next one, if mod S equal to 4 elements are there, the number of elements in the power set 2 to the power of 4. So what is the answer? 16. So here B is the answer. Okay, and third question, if A equal to 1, 2, 3, it is denoted by digraph, then R is A. Now tell me ma, here the diagram, see the diagram, have you remember? After, so we have 3 elements, that is 1, okay, 1, I will write the graph here because it does not show, 1, 3 and 2, okay. Now there is a 1, 2, 3, like this arrow mark is there, and this one arrow mark is there, and this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, so from this digraph find out the elements relation. So here 1, 2, 3 is there, so 1, 3 is there, good. Next 3, 2 is there, okay, and next 2, 1 is there, no, and 1, 2, 2 is there, yes, 2, 1 also there, 2, 2, 1 is there. So మీకు గుర్తుంది కదండి డయాగ్రాఫ్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని ఎలిమెంట్స్ని ఎలా రాస్తామని, విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ద యారో మార్క్స్ 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 also there. So 1, 2 is there, 2, 1 is there, and 3, 1 is there, and 3, 2, so how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right ma? So from these two, can you find out whether it is a reflexive, symmetric or transitive? Okay, tell me. So 1, 3, so reflexive means what? What is the condition for reflexive? A, B, B, the number, domain and codomain should be same, but here self loops are there, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 is there, no, elements is not there, so it should not reflexive. And next one, symmetric. Symmetric means what? A, B belongs to R and B, A belongs to R. So 1, 3 belongs to R, 3, 1 belongs to R, 1, 2 belongs to R, 2, 1 also belongs to R. Okay, so this is symmetric. So this one is correct. Next one, R is denoted by digraph. R is a transitive or not? Next, check the conditions everyone. Transitive kada 1, 3, So any element starts with 3, yes, here 1 comma 3 belongs to R and 3 comma 2 belongs to R. After this, from these two elements we can say that 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Check ma 1 comma 2 is there or not? Yes, 1 comma 2 is there. So it is also transitive. So here both the answers are correct. B and C, both the answers are correct. So actually here by seeing the options, symmetric is B option and C is a transitive option. There is no symmetric comma transitive. So simply what we have to insert, just none of these, because both the answers are correct, symmetric or transitive, right ma? So here two answers are correct. So there is no option for two answers. So you can take it as none of these. And next one, if A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, 36, R is a relation divided by A or P. If A divides B, then A, R is a poset but not lattice. Lattice, poset in which every pair of elements has a greatest lower bound. Poset in which every pair of elements has a greatest upper bound. So we have to check these four conditions. Ma, you know this poset, right? Partially ordered set. So partially ordered set. If it is a poset, then we can draw the Hasse diagram. So what is the condition for poset? It should be reflexive, it should be antisymmetric, it should be transitive. Okay. Now we have to check A equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, 36 kada. So find out here. First find out the elements for the fourth question. A equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, 36. So A divides B. 2 divides 3. No, 2 divides 4. Yes, 2 divides 4. 2 divides 6. 2 divides 8, 2 divides 12, 2 divides 24, 2 divides 36. Similarly, 4 divides 8, come to the second element, 3, right, 3. 3 divides 4, no, 3 divides 6, 3 divides 12 and 3 divides 24 and 3 divides 36. Next, fourth element ma, 4 divides 6, no, 4 divides 8, yes, 4 divides 12, 4 divides 24 and 4 divides 36. And similarly we have 8th element, 6th element, 6 divides 12, 6 divides 24, 6 divides 36 and 12 divides 24, 12 divides 36. 24 does not divide 36, so here we stop. So these are all the elements. After doing reflexive, symmetric and transitive, antisymmetric and transitive, you will have this poset. Okay, already we done this example in unit 2. Have you remember or not? I don't know. But so this is a poset ma. This is a reflexive, because 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 6 comma 6, 8 comma 8. It is a reflexive. 2 divides 2, 3 divides 3, 4 divides 6. So it is a reflexive and it is a antisymmetric. 2 comma 4 is existing, but 4 comma 2 does not existing. So it is a antisymmetric and it is a transitive too. 2 comma 4 belongs to R and also 4 comma 8 belongs to R. After this 2 comma 8 existing or not? 2 comma 8 is also existing. So it is a transitive. So it is a poset nana. So this is a poset. So we can draw the Hasse diagram for this. Draw the Hasse diagram directly. So here we are also 2 and 3 are the two independent elements, because 2 does not divides the 3 and 3 does not divides the 2. So 2 and 3 elements, and next 2 divides 4 nana. 2 divides 4. Okay, and next one, next element what? 4 element is done, and the 6th element. So 6 divides by 2 and 3. So yeah, there is no relation from 4 and 6. So here we have to write the 6 here. So 2 divides 6, 3 divides 6, and next element what ma? 8. 8 divides by 2 and 4. So there is no relation from 3 and 6. So there is no common area. So here you can write 8 element. So because 8 element divides by 2 and 4, and next one come to the next element 12th. 12 it divides by 2, 4, 3, 6 nana. So there is no relation from 8. 8 does not divides the 12 value. So write here 12 and clear. So 4 divides 12, 6 divides 12, 2 divides 12, and 3 divides 12. Come to the next element 24. 24 divides by 8, 8 3 is a 24 and 12 2 is a 24. So this is a common element. Sorry, 24, not 12, 24. 24. Okay, good. Because all the elements have the connection with 24. And next 36. 36 does not divides by 24 and 8, but it divides by 4, it divides by 2. Clear? So you have to write 36 here, and because 12 divides 36 nana, okay, 8 does not, there is no relation 8 36, so we should not draw the line here, and we should not draw the line from 24 to 36, because 24 does not divide 36, 8 does not divide 36. So clearly, so here this is the Hasse diagram. Okay, so what is the question here? First one is poset but not lattice. Okay, do you know lattice? Because lattice concept is not there in the second chapter. I will explain what is lattice. See here, a lattice is an abstract structure studied in the mathematical subdisciplines of order theory and abstract algebra. So we have a lattice concept in theory, order theory, and also abstract algebra. Nana. It consisting of partially ordered set. Okay, remember this, lattice consisting of partially ordered set, that means poset, partially ordered set, in which every two elements take 2 and 3. Every two elements have a unique supermom and have a unique infimom. Okay, for example, manaki icchinatuvanti elements lo after drawing the Hasse diagram, it is a poset. If it is a poset, we can draw the Hasse diagram. Now check the Hasse diagram. Every two elements have a supermom. Supermom means least bound or join. Okay, supermom means here let us take a 2, 3 two elements nana. What is the supermom for these two? What is the greatest upper bound la emundi? 6 value. So here 6 is a supermom for these 2 and 3. But and unique infimom, lower bound mom unda 2 and 3 ki one or some any element is existing? No. Okay, see the example here. Here 1, 2 and 2, 1 two elements nana. Okay, for these two elements, this is the one element and this is the another element. Okay, for these two elements, this is a supermom, upper bound value. Okay, and this is the lower bound value, this is infimum, what we call infimum. If it existing, then we can say that it is a lattice. Okay, that is lattice. In mathematical terms, it is an order theory and abstract algebra. It consisting of partially ordered set. If it is a partially ordered set, that means it is a reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive. Okay, if it is a poset, then we can draw the Hasse diagram. After draw the Hasse diagram, you have to check every two elements. Every two elements has existing supermom or infimom. Now check in this diagram, take the 4 and 6 elements. Okay, these two elements. 4 and 6 element, what is the supermom for this? 12. Okay, what is the supermom for this? 12, because 4 divides to upper boundary value is 12. Okay, and next come to the next one, 4 and 6, is there any lower bound value infimum? That is yes, 2, common value nana, common value. The diagram should be like this. Okay, hope you understand. For example, 8 and 12 here, what is the supermom? 24. Okay, 8 and 12, what is the infimum? 4. For 8 and 12 ki upper bound value, what is the value? That is supermom 24. What is the lower bound value? That is infimum 4 value. Okay, so like this we have to draw. So this is a poset and this is a Hasse diagram. So poset. So what is the first option? Poset but not lattice, and B is a lattice. Poset in which every pair of elements తీసుకుంటే greatest lower bound ఉందా? Check nana. Poset every, so here 2, 3 elements is there, upper bound is there but no lower bound, so it is not a lattice. It is not a lattice. Here for these two elements there is upper bound, there is a lower bound, and here the two elements there is a upper bound, there is a lower bound. Okay, good, but here 2 and 3 there is no lower bound, so it is not a lattice. And next one, every element, each and poset in each every pair of elements has a greatest lower bound. అన్నిటికీ greatest lower bounds ఉన్నాయా? Check it. Okay, so 2, 3 we have a 6, and 4, 6 we have a 12, 8, 12 we have a 24, but 24, 36 we don't have a upper bound. Okay, and similarly this option is not correct, this option is not correct, this it is not a lattice. Okay, because 2, 3 ki lower bound ledu, infimum ledu, so poset idi but not lattice. So answer is option A. Okay, so like this you have to do the fourth question ma. And next one, R equal to 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 is an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation means what? It is a reflexive, it is a transitive, it is a symmetric. Okay, so 1 1 is reflexive. Okay, then R is a function or not function or cannot decide, and none of these. So you know the function. What is the definition for the function? If f of a is equal to a to b, if f of a is equal to a to b, a belongs to a, okay, b belongs to b, then relation from a to b none. The unique element, it should be existing. There is a unique element existing. But here from these elements draw the function. So here we have a elements nana, here we have the b elements. So we have one. From 1 to 1 we have 1 comma 1, and also how many elements are there? 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 1 to 1 we have, 1 to 2 we have, so and next to 1 to 3 we have, and similarly 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3. Is it function? Each and every element has a unique element. 1 ki 1 undi, 1 ki 2 undi. So that means f of 1 equal to 1, f of 1 equal to 2, f of 1 equal to 3. Is it possible? Okay, it is not possible, it is not a function. Similarly, f of 2 equal to 1, f of 2 equal to 2, f of 2 equal to 3. Is it possible? It is not possible, because every element there exists a unique element nana. Okay, for example, f of 1 equal to 1 undi, f of 2 equal to 2 undi, f of 3 equal to 3 unte, it is a function, because every element has its own unique element. But here different elements are there. Is it possible for the equation? Okay, let us say f of x equal to some x value, x square value. Okay, 1 తీసుకున్నా 1 వస్తుంది, right? మళ్ళీ 1 తీసుకుంటే is it possible to answer? No, it is not possible. So it is not a function. Fifth question, it is not a function. Okay, and next one, so here fourth question, this is the answer, and fifth question, this is not a function. And if I to I, then I set of integers defined, f of x equal to x square, then x belongs to I, then f is a 1 to 1 onto, many 1 and onto, 1 to 1 bisective. Now simple ma, here f of x equal to what is the value? X square ma. Let us take f of 1 equal to what? 1, f of 2 equal to what? 4, f of 3 is equal to what? 3 square means 9, f of 4 is equal to 4 square means 4 is 16. So draw the diagram here, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 1 to 1, 2 to 4 value, sorry, 3 for 9 and 4 for 16. Okay, so here from 1 and 1, is it 1 to 1? It is not 1 to 1. So you can eliminate this answer. Okay, many 1 and on 2. Yes, this is the correct answer. Is 1 to 1, you can eliminate this one. So if it is a 1 2 and into, it is a bisective, so you can cancel this one. Okay, because it is not a 1 to 1 and into, right? See ma, in functions 1 to 1, into, on to, these are very important. You have to practice it more. Clear? So answer is B here. And next one, seventh question, f of x is equal to what is the value? F of x equal to x square plus 1, g of x is equal to e power x, and h of x equal to cos x, then find out g of f of x. So there is no use of h of x, because in this function we have g of f of x. Okay, so what is the f of x value? What is the f of x value? X square plus 1. Now g of x equal to what? E power x. So here x place, what we have to substitute? This is the x value. That means e to the power of x square plus 1. So what is the answer? Seventh one, B is the correct answer. Next one, eighth question. If n is a set of natural numbers means 1 2 3 4 and so on, n, R is a relation defined by n, R a b, a divides b, then R is a. Ma, this one we already done in the questions ma. Okay, so let us take 1 2 3 4 so on, some elements, natural numbers, 1 divides 2, 1 divides 3, 1 divides 4 and 2 divides 3. You have to check like this. Okay, it is a partially ordered set nana. A divides B, then R is a reflexive but not transitive. No, it should be transitive. Okay, equivalence relation, no. Okay, it is a partially ordered relation, because anti-symmetric is existing, not symmetric. Okay, because 2 divides 4, but 4 does not divides 2 nana. Okay, 4 does not divides 2. So it is not a symmetric. సో ఎప్పుడైతే సిమెట్రిక్ కాదో వీ కెన్ క్యాన్సిల్ ద ఈక్వలెన్స్ రిలేషన్. క్లియర్? సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ పార్షియల్లీ ఆర్డర్డ్ రిలేషన్ అండ్ రిఫ్లెక్సివ్ ట్రాన్సిటివ్ బట్ నాట్ యాంటీసిమెట్రిక్. నో, పార్షియల్ ఆర్డర్ ఆప్షన్ వచ్చేసి రిఫ్లెక్సివ్ ట్రాన్సిటివ్ అండ్ యాంటీసిమెట్రిక్. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ చెక్ ద వాల్యూస్. సమ్ లెట్ us టేక్ సమ్ వాల్యూస్ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 వాల్యూస్ తీసుకోండి. బికాస్ when 2, 4 belongs to R, 4, 2 does not belongs to R. It is antisymmetric one, right? So it is a partially ordered relation. So eighth one answer is C. And next come to the next question. C, if a equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, f of a equal to R, then divide by what is the value here? F of x equal to what ma? X square plus 1. Okay, x square plus 1. So if you take f of -2 equal to -2 whole square plus 1, what is the value? 2 2s are 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Okay, here what they ask, where R is a set of real numbers, then range, we have to find out range. So you know this, if you have like this is a domain value, this is a codomain value, and codomain value is nothing but range. So what are the values here come? Those are the range values. So for -2 value, what is the outcome? 5. And come to the next value, f of -1, -1 whole square plus 1, 1 square means 1 plus 1 equal to 2, right ma? So 2 for -1, what is the answer? 2. And come to the next 0, f of 0 is equal to 0 square plus 1, 0 square plus 1 means 1, 0 plus 1, 1. So for 0 value what we get? 1. For -2 we get -5, for -1 we get 2, for 0 we get 1. And come to the next one, 1, f of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 1, 1 square means 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, for 1 also what we get? 2. Similarly, f of 2 is equal to 2 square plus 1, 4 plus 1, then 5. So for 2 also what we get? 5. Is it is this a function? For every unique for every value there is a unique value. Okay, now check this is codomain values what? 1, 2, 5. Okay, so this is the range. These are the codomain values and this is the range. So where it is? This is the option D. Okay, here so ninth question answer is 1 to 5. It is a function and this is a onto function, because every element has its pre-image in this. And next 10th question ma, which at the following is a partition of the set S equal to 1, 2, 3. So simply partition means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 only. So answer is B. And next one, suppose that R1 and R2 are reflexive relation. Reflexive relation means let us take 1, 1 and 1, 1. Okay, on a set A, which of the following sets are correct? R1 introduction Rn is reflexive. So is introduction means 1, 1, right? Oh yes, it is a reflexive. R1 introduction R2 is it possible? Two conditions, R1 introduction are reflexive. Is it possible again R1 introduction R2 is a reflexive? No. So you can eliminate this answer. R1 introduction R2 is irreflexive. R1 union R2 is a reflexive. No, it is not the answer. Both R1 union R2. Now tell me Anna, here this is R1 value, this is R2 value. 1, 1 union 1, 1 is also 1, 1. Introduction also 1, 1. Okay, so both are 1, 1 is reflexive or not? Right? So R1 union R2, R1 intersection R2, both are reflexive, not irreflexive. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Next 12th question, a partially ordered relation is a transitive, reflexive and antisymmetric. You know this, right? If it is a reflexive, symmetric, transitive means equivalence. If it is a reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive means poset, partially ordered set. Now come to the 13th question, the inverse function f of x equal to what ma? X cube plus 2. That means x cube plus 2 equal to y. Then x cube is equal to y minus 2. Then x equal to what? Y minus 2 whole to the power of, here 3 cube root, right? It will come cube root. Then x equal to y minus 2 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So we know this, f of x equal to y, f inverse of y equal to what Nana? X. So in the place of x we can insert f inverse of y is equal to what? Y minus 2 to the power of 1 by 3. Where is the answer? We can eliminate these two. Okay, then this is the answer. F inverse y equal to y minus 2 1 by 3. Inverse is compulsory ma. Okay, And next one, Hasse diagrams are drawn for to whom? For which we have to draw the Hasse diagrams. For partially ordered set we draw the Hasse diagrams. Okay, so this is not for Boolean algebra, not for sets, so we can eliminate easily. Okay na? So this is how we have to do ma, right? Thank you so much. Do subscribe to our channel.